ambulance and pulp vehicles, important medical technical equipment, blood laboratory equipment, resuscitation operation, and all that should truly enable response to major objectives. It is the quality of the care offered to Burkina citizens everywhere on the territory. Burkina and the other elements is improving working conditions of these brave health workers who, despite all the difficulties, days fight in a spirit of sacrifice so that all Burkina can benefit from health care quality. It is a material which costs nearly 5,800,000,000 CFA, therefore 90% financed by the state budget, that is, funded by the taxpayer. Burkina is also the opportunity, and we want to invite Mr. Minister of Health to take all useful provisions so that the agents on the ground who will be the beneficiaries of this material take the greatest care so that the impact is not only significantly and above all that the impact is lasting. So it's really wishing a good use for all those who will be the beneficiaries of this material there. And above all, everyone realizes that it is the fruit of the work of the Burkinabes. And so when we are aware of this, it means it is a big one responsibility that we have on a daily basis to ensure that the use is optimal. I like that. You know, many people take advantage of this is government property. They can do it anyhow. And this is government equipment. They can do it. That is the mindset. That is the mentality of people in Africa. Let me be specific. That is how they do it. You see people that work in government parastatals, they do things anyhow, they use things anyhow because they don't know that those things were purchased. They don't know those things were purchased. But you don't see those kind of lousy attitudes. You don't see it in private sectors. They don't born you well now. You go pay. You don't see it in private sectors. So I like the statement he made at the end. He said the health minister, as he hands over these things to people that will use them, that they should make sure that these things will stand the test of time. They should make sure that these equipments will last, that they should be used in optimal. The people that will use them should please make sure that they use them very well. They should be aware that these things were purchased. It costs some money to purchase them. So they should use them significantly, make impact, and not just to use them carelessly like they just picked them along the roadside, even if it was picked along the roadside. So I like that last statement he made there, because that is the general sickness for most of the people that work in the government, public sector, government parastat. They do things like they just if it spoils, the government to buy another one now. That is not good. Don't work like that. It doesn't make sense. This is a very good one. Ambulance, a lot of equipments. A lot of equipment they got here to ensure that Burkinabes gets good and quality health care. This is very good. I commend the government for this. When they have emergencies, there will not be stories. The ambulances are there. Even laboratory equipment, resuscitation, operation, and all that are made available here. This is good. Kudos to the government. They did well.